Hello little stars, today Sarah and Safah are going to learn the letter A. Let's draw, color and have fun together.
Safah, let's do drawing with alphabet A. Let's do it. Okay.
First, let's draw letter A. Make one slanting line going up, another slanting line come down, and a little sleeping line in the middle. Let's draw two eyes with the A to make it look cute. There you go. That's the big letter A. Say it with me. A, A, A.
A for apple. A for ant. A for letter. A for airplane. A.
Now let's draw letter small a. Now let's draw something that starts with A. An apple. Apples are juicy and sweet. Let's color our apple bright red. Red is a happy color. A for apple. Apple is red. Letter A is awesome, just like we said. And we will color the leaf green. Let's draw an ant, a teeny friend that also starts with A. First drawing 4 little circles, 1 for the head, 2 for the body and 1 for the back. Ants are very hardworking. Let's give our ant some little legs and cute antenna. Now let's draw something big that flies in the sky, an airplane. Draw a long oval shape and a small wings, one each side, a tail at the back, and some little windows for the passengers. Airplanes take us to new place. Let's make our airplane colorful and happy. Wow! Today you learned the letter A and drawing an apple, an ant and an airplane. Great job, little artist Sarah and Safah. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun with Sarah and Safah. See you next time for the letter B.